Don't get upset when you hear that people are talking bad about you. They need to talk about you because when they speak of themselves, no one listens. This is the most important thing I have to tell you. And I want you to carry this wisdom with you for life because it will set you free. And listen, my child, don't be afraid of losing people. What you should truly fear is losing yourself. Let me tell you something life taught me slowly and gently. The more you try to control something, the more it ends up controlling you. So stop worrying so much about what others think. Be unique, be unforgettable, be rooted in your essence. But never forget to simply be you. You were not born to be chosen. You were born to be seen, to be felt, to be loved. Not for what you do, but for who you are. And when you truly understand this, something changes deep inside. You stop begging for crumbs. You begin to choose. You choose who receives your energy, who deserves your gentleness, who stays, who goes. And most importantly, you finally choose yourself.